In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix lag in Roblox on your Chromebook. So I'm going to show you the best settings to increase the performance and to fix any lagging or freezing issues. Now, the first thing you want to do is just go and head inside of a Roblox game. Once you're in a game, click on the Roblox icon in the top left hand side, click on the settings button. You could then scroll down this page until you see graphics mode and make sure this is set to manual. Go and reduce the graphics quality all the way down to the bottom like this. You could then go in, save your changes and check to see if that solves the issue. If it's not working, we're going to close out of Roblox. And now we need to go and change some settings on our actual Chromebook. So click on the taskbar in the bottom left hand side and then go and open up your settings. Over in this left navigation, scroll down and click on About Chrome. Click on the Check for Updates button and just ensure you're running the latest version of software. If your Chromebook is outdated, this can cause the lag issue. Once you've done this, you can go and open up a Chrome browser. Click on the three vertical dots in the top right hand side and click on Delete Browsing Data. Now make sure all time is selected and then go and press Delete Data. You can then click on the three vertical dots again, click on Extensions and click on Manage Extensions. Make sure all of these extensions are toggled to off, as this can also interfere with Roblox and cause your game to lag. Now finally come up to the address bar and you need to go and type in Chrome://flags and press enter. Come up to the search box and go and search for override. Where it says override software rendering list, make sure this is set to enabled. Come up to the search box again, and this time search for smooth scrolling and also make sure this is enabled. You can then click on the search box once more, search for GPU rasterization and set this to enabled. Now search for scheduler, and where it says scheduler configuration, click on the drop down arrow and set this to enables hyperthread. Now once you've done all of this, you'll need to click on the restart button at the bottom of the page. Your Chromebook is then going to restart. You can try opening up Roblox and that should have fixed any lagging or freezing issues.